Come check out the Kia Carens Clavis with me today. This is the updated version of the Carens with a major facelift. You can have a look at the new tail lamp over here. 3-slat design for the indicator. This new tail lamp design which covers the entire width of the car. Carens Clavis badging right here. And in this one, you get a boot capacity of 216 liters with the third row up in place. You can fold on the third row using this lever over here. You get a couple of cup holders, charging port over here, few more cup holders and another charging port right here. This is the leg space on offer with the second row slid all the way back. You can also, let's shut this and I'll show you the rear seat space. But before that, I'll show you the dashboard of this car. Over here, you get a dual tone dashboard, which is completely new compared to the regular Carens. You get multiple textures on the dashboard, multiple colors have been used. You get 4-way electrically adjustable driver seat, but the height adjustment is still manual. You can have a look at the new upholstery, the new texture, which feels so nice. The new steering wheel also looks very good. Dual tone finish for the leather wrap, blind spot monitor, and this massive screen which is split between the infotainment system and the instrument cluster. You get ventilated seats, multiple charging ports right here, a proper 360 view camera which can be seen on the screen right here, and you get electric parking brake with auto hold, a bunch of cup holders right here, auto dimming RVM, no mirror over here, but you get a mirror without a light over here, and you get a dual pane panoramic sunroof on the Carens Clavis. What about the rear seat space? I'll show you something really interesting over here. Let's open this thing and rear seat को आप एक button press करके fold down कर सकते हैं. So this is very practical if you want to go to the third row. इसको वापस अपनी जगह पे लाते हैं and this is the kind of space that you get for the rear passengers. Good view of the sunroof. You get this nice sunshade because the window is really big in size. And let me show you the face of this car. You get 17-inch dual tone alloy wheels over here, and this is how the Carens Clavis looks like from the front. You get new headlamps, new bumper, new bonnet, and the face looks similar to that of the Ciros and the EV9 also. उससे भी थोड़ा inspiration draw करता है. You get a camera over here because you get 360 view camera on this car. ADAS के sensors आपको यहाँ पे ऊपर दिख जाएंगे. And that's about it. What do you think of the Carens Clavis and this new ivory silver color? बताओ नीचे comment section में.